This is the starting point of the Coca-Cola bottling process. Inside this facility, thousands of bottles.
Here, purified water flows through stainless steel pipes. Sugar, the secret syrup, and carbon dioxide are added in. Once the drink is ready, bottles are filled and sealed at high speed. Advanced machines handle each bottle with exact accuracy.
After sealing, every bottle passes through quality checks. Only approved bottles move forward.
Welcome inside a modern Coca-Cola bottling facility, where technology, precision, and quality come together to create one of the world's most iconic drinks.
Every bottle begins its journey here, inside one of the most advanced beverage factories on Earth. The process starts with water, carefully sourced, tested, and purified to meet exact global standards.
Before anything is mixed, the water passes through multiple purification stages, eliminating even microscopic impurities. Before anything is mixed, the water passes through multiple purification stages, eliminating even microscopic impurities.
Only highly refined sugar is used, measured with precision to ensure the same taste worldwide. This is where flavor is born, inside sealed tanks, under strict control, far from human contact. Access to this area is restricted. Even workers don't know the full formula. Digital sensors constantly monitor sweetness levels, adjusting the mix in real time. Carbonation is added under controlled pressure, creating the signature fizz people recognize instantly. In just seconds, heat and air transform raw plastic into perfectly shaped bottles. Filling happens at incredible speed, thousands of bottles every minute. Every bottle is tested. If it fails, it never reaches the consumer. A single factory connects to a global supply chain, serving millions every day.
Subscribe to explore more hidden industrial processes.